There are three parameters that we can measure using an analog multitester. These are the resistance, the current, and the voltage. In this video, I will going to show you how to measure those three: the resistance, the current, and the voltage. First is the resistance. I have three resistors here and I'm going to measure each resistor if what are their values in ohms. The range that I use is times 10. Don't forget to always calibrate before measuring. The needle pointer point onto the 10, so I'm going to times the 10 to the range that I use, which is 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. That's why my R1 is 100 ohms. You're just going to repeat the same process in figuring out what is the value of resistor 2 and resistor 3. Is the voltage, and I will going to show you how to measure voltage. The resistor 1. The resistor 1 contains 0.5 volts. By the way, the range that I use is 2.5 dCV because my battery has 1.5 volts. That's why I use 2.5 dCV. The resistor 1, 2, 3 got 0.5 volts. And this is current. The range that I use is 25 milliampere. The multimeter shows 0.5, so the value that I get is 0.5 milliampere. In order for you to get the other current, you just need to repeat the same process for the other resistors.